Welcome to carving the leaf pendant. First thing you want to do is dip your pendant in the water. We will start by sanding the sharp edges off first. Now we will be using the coarse sandpaper. First dip it in the water and then fold it. You can wrap it around your finger or you can wrap it around a pencil even. And now start sanding away the sharp edges. Keep sanding until your leaf looks really oval. You can also use the same sandpaper to thin out the sides. Keep on sanding to thin the sides down. I like to sand at the bottom of my leaf as well as on top of my leaf. You can also sand one side of the leaf more than the other, just so it doesn't look flat. Here you can see the before and the after you sanded it down to make it thinner. Now we move on to the second sandpaper, the light orange one. Dip it in the water and rub your leaf to remove all the scratches. You will start to notice now how much shinier it's gonna get. Just keep sanding away. Here you can see how all the sanding has removed all the scratches. It's nice and shiny now. Now it's time to grab the fine yellow sandpaper and dip it in the water. Fold it in two and keep sanding. Now, as an option, go ahead and engrave it if you like. Find something sharp at home, such as a fork. You only need to use one tooth of the fork. Now I'm going to engrave a pattern on the leaf. Make sure you engrave your lines at least a couple of times. They need to be deep so you can see them. And here is the pattern of a leaf. Now it's time to wax your sculpture. Place it on a piece of cardboard. Using a hairdryer, heat the stone for 2 minutes or more, whatever is needed to melt the wax. You will want the wax to melt when you touch the stone with it. Once the stone is hot enough, pick up your wax and start rubbing it all over the stone. You will see it melt. Make sure you don't touch the stone with your fingers, as this stone is going to be very hot. Once the stone has completely cooled off, pick up your little white cloth and start rubbing your stone with it. This is what will buff it out and make it really shine. Grab on to the loop and squeeze it tight between your fingers. Now push the loop into the back of the pendant and through the hole. And then pull the strings through the loop and out. Pull it all the way out and up. We hope you had a great time doing this.